So this next exercise is designed for basically your office worker, someone who's not going to do strength training or wants a little break up in the day and to strengthen maybe the back of their arms and a little bit of their chest and upper body. So the first exercise we're going to show you, Marcelo, can you lean out for me a little? And this is designed for the tricep muscle. So you're simply going to bend the knees, scoot your bottom out a little bit, and he's going to dip down towards the floor and back up. Now the thing is, you want to make sure that your legs are at 90 degrees a little bit. You can come out a little bit, but you want to be within a good line here. Okay, go ahead and do a couple of those. You'll notice he's not going down too far, so he doesn't hurt his shoulder, but he's getting a nice dip. And this is going to work his arms, the back of his arms, his chest, some of his neck, and traps. So it's a great exercise for upper body toning, and you'll feel a nice little pump in the back of the arm when you're done. Excellent. Okay, come on back. You'll notice he's moving very slowly. Again, it's a 1, 2 up, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2 up, 1, 2, 3 down. The next exercise, then I'm going to have him stand up for me, turn around, and we're going to use some push-ups, but angled push-ups. Some of you have shoulder injuries, so you'll want to do this versus one flat on the ground. Takes a little pressure off, a little bit of an angle, changes some of the weight distribution on the chest. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to hold the back of the chair. So you'll notice now, when he's in this position, his back is in a straight line. He's not dipping down his back too far. His butt's not too high up in the air. So his backside's down. He's in a good straight angle. Go ahead, his feet slightly bent. There we go. And then he's going to come up. Very, very methodic, very gentle, good slow motion. Excellent. One more. Excellent. Good. Then come on up, have a seat. Thank you, Marcelo. So what we would do is we would do 3 sets again of 10 of the chair dips, and then we would do 3 sets of 10 of the push-ups. Okay? After you've done a series of these exercises, what we're going to have you do then is stand up completely. Let's face this way. I'm going to have you take your shoulder width apart, maybe a little bit wider. I simply want the patient to take a deep breath in, and then with no bend, I want the legs straight. Slightly let the hands go down the legs all the way to the bottom and try to touch the floor. Now here's the important part. When you come up, you must first bend the knee, put the hands on the knee, and then slightly move up forward. The reason we specifically want to do it in that order is to take pressure off the lumbar spine and not to irritate the sciatic nerve. So throughout the day, you can do these kinds of stretches. So let me see that first. The legs straight. The reason his hands are going along his leg is because I want you to go down as far as you can. He's in great shape, so he can touch the floor. Some of you may not be able to do that, so you want to be gentle. He'll hold for about 10 seconds. Then he's going to bend the knees first, put the hands on the knees, and slowly come up. Great stretch. Especially, someone with low back pain, they're going to want to keep the back muscles here in the leg called the hamstrings very loose at all times. That's a great exercise to do. The next one I'd like you to do then is to take your right foot, put it over your left foot. And he's going to do the same type of exercise. Going down to touch the floor, he'll feel the most of the stretch and the major stretch in the back leg. Going down, hold for 10 seconds, bend both knees, put the hands on the knees, slightly come up, and then switch sides. Do that one more time, switch sides. Excellent. Same thing, bend that, sit down. See how slow he's moving? That's the best way to stretch. Good. His head is relaxed, the head's down, he's breathing. Bend the knees now, come on up. Excellent. And that does it right there.